ancient alchemy, red mercury, gold, garlic, and a mirror, so let's talk about it. Red mercury and gold isn't the key element behind the ancient technology of these advanced architecture. As we can see here, red mercury is repelled by garlic and attracted by gold magnetically. When a mirror is placed beside it, colorless in the mirror, it has no reflection. It gives off free energy, overheats the metals that it comes in contact with. Many electronic valve devices have RM ampules found in the throat of the ancient Egyptian mummies, so it has healing prosperities, it has health benefits. Is it vampire blood? Well, no, it's red mercury. The whole vampire blood repelled by garlic and them having no reflection makes a little bit more sense now. So we know these ancients used red mercury, gold, copper, and iron. So if we have copper and iron in our blood, is it possible that these controllers have red mercury or some blood magic with alchemy? It has many uses and generates a power field on its own. It could have been used to power the ether, plasma devices, generators, power sources, frequency.
It was a deliberate process, and the indoctrination was put into schools, colleges, and universities that mercury, the vapors of mercury, even touching this liquid metal. I mean, mercury is a fascinating liquid metal when you see it up close, but it was toxic. It was damaging to physical health. But, you know, you could say that to a lesser or greater extent about many different things. We have to remember that,
exactly, just go in a supermarket.
Exactly. Yeah, absolutely. So if we take a look at, for example, of the Vimana, which mean in the Sanskrit language means traversers of ancient Vedic India, they use what were known as mercury vortex engines. Now, there are many documents that have shown this, the diagrams, the schematics showing the actual specific intricate details of these mercury vortex engines, because they were used for anti-gravity propulsion. The same thing happened with in National Socialist Germany with the Third Reich. So we have, you know, that the so-called breakaway civilization of the Fourth Reich was using mercury or quicksilver turbine engines, I think, for want of a better phrase, for anti-gravity purposes. Now, there are many experiments that have been done with mercury or quicksilver where you can create it in terms of a centrifuge. You can create it moving at a certain